In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make $1,000 a month or more online using PLR.
Hey everyone, it's Daryl from Daryl's Marketing. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel and of course click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out a new video about internet marketing, tips and tricks, new products and so forth. So let's jump right into today's video.
Here's what to expect from today's video. I'm going to tell you what PLR is and how you use it. I'm going to show you how you can make money with PLR. I'm going to show you the difference between good and bad PLR and teach you how to choose. Show you where you can sell PLR products or products you create with PLR and where you can find good PLR. Be sure to stay till the end because I'm also going to show you how to scale quickly to $1,000 a month and beyond. I'm going to show you the best resource I know to learn how to make the most money possible using PLR. I'm also going to show you my personal favorite website using PLR that I use weekly to download and grab most of the PLR that I use. And I'm also going to show you some special bonuses I have for you. So let's take a quick look. What is PLR? PLR stands for private label rights. Generally, it's a digital product that you can acquire rights to. And these rights allow you to use it in a variety of ways, including things like selling the product as your own. There are several types of PLR licenses that give you exact details of what you can and can't do. For example, private label rights are the least restricted. They usually allow you to edit it, break it down into pieces, sell it as your own, etc., etc. Master resale rights and resale rights lets you sell the product over and over, but you don't claim it as your own. Master resale rights lets you sell the resale rights to the product. Personal use is pretty self-explanatory. Giveaway rights lets you use these giveaways or use PLR products as a bonus or a lead magnet to build your list and things like that. So here's a sample PLR license right here. It tells you exactly what you can and can't do. You can use it as content for your site. You can include it in ebooks and reports. You can use it in an email series. You can edit it however you want to, etc., etc. You can't give away or sell anything to do with the PLR rights themselves. And you can't use the creator's name in association with any sales. So that's a brief overview of PLR license and what it is. And what can you do with it now? You can actually just put your name on it and sell it just as is. Now, a better way to do it is to actually edit the PLR, make it your own product, and then sell it. You can take it and break it up into pieces to use as content for your blogs, for your email sequences, for your list, for content for videos, for just a variety of things like that. As mentioned, you can use it as a bonus or a lead magnet to generate leads for your email list. And the way you make money, the best way to make money with PLR is to use this PLR as a starting point to create a brand new product. You want to edit it, at least the graphics and the product name, but you really want to get in there and edit some of the content itself. Rewrite some paragraphs, reorganize things, change some headers, change some graphics inside the product itself, and really make it your own product. You can outsource this to Fiverr and several other freelance type sites if you'd like to. But the bottom line is you need to start with good PLR material right from the beginning. Good versus bad PLR. Now, good PLR is informative, it's useful. If your product is about fat loss, then it should really teach people some ways to lose fat. It's going to provide value, in other words. It should be well written, good spelling and grammar, etc. Organized. It should have supporting materials like the source code, like if it's a PDF report, you also want the Word document so that you can edit that and export it as a new PDF to sell as your own product. On the other hand, bad PLR has useless information, no value to the customer. It's poorly written with lots of spelling and grammar errors. It's obviously been run through article spinners, things like that. Keyword stuffing for articles and blog posts just to try to get rankings, but that doesn't work any longer. No organization to the product and no supporting materials. The bottom line, ask yourself a simple question. If you bought this product, would you think you got value for your money, or would you be pissed off that you paid money for it? If it's something you wouldn't want to buy, don't sell it to someone else. So where can you sell your products that you create with PLR? Well, I recommend starting with Clickbank. It's the largest affiliate marketplace in the world. Every niche you can imagine. You can create a product on weight loss for women over 40, set it up on Clickbank to sell. You'll have affiliates that'll sell for you, especially if you've created a good product. I also recommend if you're using a niche other than, if you're using other niches such as make money online, internet marketing, and so forth, you have JBZoo, Warrior Forum, and Warrior Plus. These are all great places for those types of products. And of course, you should have your own site, preferably, so that you can sell it through that as well. You can promote your products via Facebook and Instagram and the other social media networks. Promote them heavily on YouTube, forums, and discussion groups. You really don't have to have a site of your own, but it does help to at least have your own blog so you can promote your product that way as well. Now, where do you get good PLR? Well, one of the best places to do it is just search for the niche name and PLR. For example, if you're in fitness niche, search for fitness PLR. Search for make money online PLR, etc. When you do this, you're going to find PLR specialist type sites. These are companies and creators who create nothing but PLR material. That's their primary business. You're also going to find the warehouse or member sites where they have a variety of PLR across all niches. And you'll find a lot of free sites as well. There's a lot of free PLR available, and some of it actually is good content, but a lot of it's not. So you have to do a lot of sifting and sorting when you're using free PLR. So let's take a look right here. I'm going to jump on the browser for just a minute. This is Clickbank. I mentioned it a minute ago. Just go to clickbank.com, create an account, and you can post your product. As a vendor, you'll have, there's a variety of just every niche you can imagine. You can see this entire list over here. You can even break those down further. Health and fitness can be broken down into even more categories such as beauty, dental health, diets and weight loss, exercise, mental health, nutrition, etc., etc. There's so many different niches and different products that are sold here. You're bound to find a market for it. We talked about using the term fitness PLR to search for fitness PLR. As you see, I've done that. Here's the PLR store, PLR Me, Buy Quality PLR. These are like the warehouse type sites that have lots and lots of PLR across a lot of niches. Here's one that looks to be devoted to a specific product, so this is probably more of a specialist site. When I say that, I mean things like these guys here, PLR Firelaunchers.com. These guys sell high quality, very good PLR. Here's their latest project, Stress Relief with Mantra, and you get that with PLR rights. Here's some of the previous stuff, Pinterest, Secrets, WordPress, Mind and Memory. Notice that you have a basic package and then an upgrade package, which comes in handy for creating funnels for your products later. And you can see they've created a ton of PLR. I've bought several products from these guys. They always do very high quality. But now for an example of a membership site, this is actually a free one here. You can get free PLR downloads, all these different categories: internet marketing, business, affiliate marketing, Clickbank, and then some of the smaller ones like metaphysics, hunting, hypnosis, safety, security, psychology. And this is all free stuff. Now you do have to do a lot of sifting and sorting because a lot of this stuff is not that great of quality. A lot of it is though, so you just have to take your time and sort through it. Back to the presentation. I said if you stayed to the end, I'd show you about how to scale quickly. You want to get started. Go ahead, I want you to start strong, do a good product, edit it, make it look good, but get started. Don't spend months playing around with it. Just go ahead and get started and see it all the way through. You need to be building your email list the whole time you're doing this. You can build email lists by giving away items as a lead magnet, but you can also be building a buyer's list for people who are purchasing your product. Make sure you create funnels. In other words, if you have a basic product that you're selling for $30, let's say you sell 15 a month, that's $450 right there. But let's say you add an upgrade package to that sells for $70. So two of the people that bought your basic package also buy the upgrade for $70. That's going to bring you in an additional $140 that month. So there's $590 a month right away from one simple product. Simply repeat that and you're already at $1,000. I also mentioned earlier niche sites. Niche sites are a great way to build passive income. Your niche site can be centered around anything from dog training to keto diets to fat loss for women over 40 to internet marketing through email, through YouTube video production, whatever you want to produce. But if you set these sites up, you can often use a single PLR product to get all the content you need for the site, create the product you need for the site, etc., etc. I definitely recommend setting up a niche site, beginning to sell something, setting up another one, beginning to sell something. You get 5 of these going, making $200 a month, and you've got your $1,000 a month right there. You can very quickly and easily scale that up. I also promise you, I'll tell you the best PLR education resource, as well as my favorite PLR site, and it just happens that these are both the same place. PLR Database Net is my favorite PLR site, and it's also a place where you can learn more about making money with PLR than anywhere else I've found online. It's a free site to join. When you join free, you get access to this free academy. You can see down here, here's the link for it. If we go to the academy, just look at some of these articles. Make money online, make money selling PLR on Facebook. 22 top ideas to make money from PLR products. Selling digital products, selling PLR on eBay. Knowing PLR. Requirements to create a sales letter. Top ways to make money with PLR label rights. Top 5 online places to sell resale right products. Dozens of articles here for you to scroll through and read through and learn how you can maximize your money from PLR products. The other reason I like this place is because they have some of the best PLR available out there. Now, I am a paid member. I pay $10 a month. It's a monthly plan. $10. I download hundreds of dollars every month. I use this site. I go on here at least weekly, and I'm always downloading new PLR to use for various purposes. They have a monthly plan, they have a quarterly plan, and they have a annual plan. They all save you a little bit of money, but for $10 a month, I've been doing the $10 a month thing for almost 3 years now. It's more than worth the money. You can scroll down here and just see some of the different products, all sorts of niches they have here. Some of the newest products they've got. Then these premium products. Now, they do have free PLR. There's a lot of good free PLR on this site. I recommend you sign up for the free membership, at least do a little looking around. But I definitely recommend, if you're interested in being serious about PLR product creation, go ahead and sign up. $10, do it for a month and download a few good products and get going. Tons and tons of great stuff. As you can see up here in the marketplace, look at all these categories. Everything you can imagine. Let's say you're in the health niche. All these different products. This kombucha tea that's a big thing now. Eczema, how to get rid of it. Kettlebell, which has been a hot niche for a while now. Top ketogenic foods, another good keto. Keto is a very popular niche. Let's just take a look at this product here. This is a PLR product. If you remember, you can download this for free. All right, let's take a look here. It looks like it's ebook and probably some checklist, resource guide. Looks like a sales page, probably video format. Okay, here's the description. This is very well organized. Look at this. This is awesome. Beginner's guide to keto. Get PLR. You can sell it as your own. You get the ebook, the checklist, the resource sheet, the sales letters, promotional videos, and full license packs. Yes, you can resell it. Yes, you can pass on master resale rights. Yes, you can edit it. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so yeah, you can do anything but give it away for free or sell PLR rights to it, basically. Excellent looking product. 5 of 5 rating. Comes in a zip file. You get PLR, MRR, all these licenses. You get the PDF files, you get the Word document so you can edit it, you get the HTML for editing the sales page, PSD files for editing graphics, you get the sales tools included, which is the sales page and the videos. Excellent product. You could take this product literally and pretty much build an entire niche site on keto dieting just with this one single product. You could create your own product to sell. You could create content to put on your website. All of it can come out of this one product. And then grab one more free keto product on this site, and you've got a full-blown niche site that you can bring in a few $100s a month. How quick and easy is that to do? So I definitely recommend checking out PLR Database Net. Join free. It's just click this link here and join, sign up. You get access to all of their free PLR, which they do have some good stuff on here. You also get access to the free academy, which is really worth this weight in gold. And I recommend considering spending $10 for a month and go ahead and take a look at all the great PLR that's available, the premium stuff that you can get. Download as much as you want, as long as you remember. You can use it in any way you want to. If you do sign up, use the link in the description below in this video. If you sign up through my link and you join PLR Database Net, and you using my link to do that, you're going to get some special bonuses from me. Bonus number 1 is Profit from PLR. It's a step-by-step guide just to tell you how to profit. Very straightforward, pretty quick and easy to get started. Special bonus 2 is PLR Guru. We mentioned and we saw earlier that some of the PLR products come with their own sales page. This video series tells you exactly how to set all that up. Very straightforward and easy to use. This private label master's course covers pretty much every aspect of PLR products. It covers with these training guides and videos and more. This is special bonus number 3. We talked about the importance of building an email list. This bonus tutorial, bonus number 4, is going to tell you about building your buyers list and how that's so important. These people have already shown they're willing to buy from you. They can be invaluable to you. I'm also going to throw in a couple other bonuses that are not strictly PLR related, but they can help along with building your income online. Bonus number 5 is Commission Blueprint. This system has been used newbie friendly. It teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. You're already going to be selling your own products through PLR, or you can set up niche sites to do your own product as well as affiliate products. This thing tells you how to make the most affiliate money in the shortest amount of time. And also, bonus number 6 is going to teach you how to promote on Instagram. Instagram is great for promoting all sorts of niches, and this is a great way to learn how to do that. You'll get all these bonuses automatically if you do decide to join PLR Database Net using my link below in the description. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you checking out my channel. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You'll be notified when I put out new videos about marketing and how to make money online. Thanks once again, and we'll see you next time.